Are you looking for diffuser recipes to use that include lavender essential oil? In this video, I will be sharing 8 lavender essential oil diffuser recipes. Hello, my name is Jennifer Snell and I have been using essential oils for 11 years, and I'm excited to share with you some easy recipes to use. If you are new to my channel, welcome! You can help support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, and commenting below which recipe you are excited to try. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. Roman chamomile is the top essential oil used for its calming properties. Roman chamomile is extracted from the daisy-like flower of the Roman chamomile plant. Lavender essential oil, also known as the Swiss Army knife, due to its versatile uses. Lavender is calming and relaxing. It promotes peaceful sleep and eases feelings of tension. Bergamot is unique among citrus oils. It is the size of an orange. It has a calming aroma when diffused. Rosemary helps reduce nervous feelings and tension. It also helps to support your respiratory system and balance emotions. Lemon essential oil has an uplifting aroma and has cleansing properties. Copaiba promotes a calm and peaceful environment, diffused to promote a restful sleep at night. Siberian fir has a fresh, woody scent and is known for its calming and relaxing aroma. Grapefruit creates an uplifting environment and also known for its cleansing properties. Peppermint essential oil promotes healthy respiratory function and clear breathing. Ylang ylang has a floral aroma and provides a calming environment when diffused. Wild orange has an energizing and citrusy aroma. It has powerful cleansing and purifying properties. The aroma of wild orange will lift your mood when using this aromatically. Frankincense, the king of all oils, is highly versatile in uses and benefits. When diffused, it is relaxing to the mind and body. All right, friends, those are the 8 lavender essential oil diffuser recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like my channel, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified every time I post a new video. If you want to learn more about essential oils, I have a weekly class online that you are welcome to attend. I also have a free PDF that you can download where I share 5 tips on how to boost your immune system naturally. You can find that in the description below. Have a great day. Bye.